Hi everybody and welcome back to another daily dose of Jace tutorials. So we are going to talk about the 3 reasons why I'm really going to miss my IdeaPad 320S Lenovo laptop. So this thing is going to go to a friend of mine. I'm really going to miss it, but it's good to give back. So the first reason why I'm really going to miss this thing is the boot up time. This thing boots up in about 10-11 seconds, which is for me really fast for the firepower it's got. It's always been a beast for me. It's consistent, really awesome. Really like this laptop. And then reason number 2 are port variety. This thing has never failed me. It's got your charging port, HDMI out, USB 3, you got your USB-C, headphone jack. Other side, you got a card reader, and you got your USB 2.0. And you got one of those things where you can lock it up with if you wanted to add a lock on the laptop. So that was pretty awesome. Never had to bring a dongle with me or get an extra laptop or something. It has really served me well. Really awesome. Highly recommend it. Number 3, battery life. This thing is pretty awesome in battery life. It says right there 9 hours 25 minutes. I've been using that for an hour already. I would say average is more like 8 hours. So it's a pretty sick laptop. 256 gigabyte SSD. I use it mostly for editing, audio, video. I don't really multitask that much, but this thing has always been the best. Play some StarCraft on it. Pretty quiet laptop as well. I've never put it through its paces though or anything like that. Oh yeah, the keyboard is not backlit, just a heads up. So it doesn't light up. The keyboard does not light up. It is an i5 7th generation. Oh yeah, this thing's got 8 gigs of RAM. Pretty sweet. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really gonna miss this laptop. Thank you everybody for watching. Take it easy.